So we did a video previously about removing this glove box on the top here, but a few people have asked lately about removing this grill at the front. They're saying that theirs vibrates and makes a lot of noise. And to be fair, I know exactly what they mean because mine does the same. You're driving along, you're at a certain RPM, and suddenly you just get this annoying zzz, kind of rattling coming from up here. And it can only just be because of a loose fitting, plastic on plastic or something like that. So surely there must be some sort of felt or something we can put in just to stop it rattling. So let's have a look, see how we get it up. I'm going to just put some tape around the edges here just so I don't damage the soft kind of bit of the dashboard. So I'll just get some tape on there first. I think I'm going to start over in this corner. I'm suspicious that it's just a kind of row of clips or something like that this comes up, and then hopefully it will come out. Okay, right, I've got some feeler gauges actually, to be fair. I'm going to try on this side. Okay, looks positive straight away. And there we go. Nice and easy. That's really quite simple actually. So yeah, we can just see, looking at that, we've got a clip here, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll get the shot. There you go, 6. So just 6 of them across the front there, come up quite easily, and then on the back, we've got that one there, one kind of there. There are a couple on the window side, and then just the same across. So what I actually thought was it was this grill in the middle that was vibrating in this fix in here. I thought it was a separate part, but clearly it's not. Clearly it's just the whole thing. So what I think we're going to need to do is just get some felt or something just around this edge. Let's see if I can move the camera. Yeah, hopefully just get some felt around these edges. Just get rid of this tape now, so that we can stop that vibrating. Obviously we'll give it a bit of a clean up first, and then hopefully, yeah, that should solve it. I managed to find some of this Velcro strip. Unfortunately it's white obviously, but black would be better. But what I've been able to do is just take some cuttings from that and just basically stick them onto the underside of this point, or of this panel really. So basically when I'm normally holding it down to stop it vibrating, you know, you put your fingers up on the dashboard and you're like, where the bloody hell is that vibrating coming from? So I put them down onto each of those points, and hopefully it should be enough to just lift it up, give it that little bit of gain, just so that it clears enough and sufficiently, or puts a bit of pressure, should we say, on where the clips go in, so that it holds it in tight. So having stuck them on, not too many, just here and there, we'll see how it goes. If it doesn't work, then I'm guessing we can just put some more over the top of it perhaps, or just more in more areas, maybe along the front here perhaps. But for now, what I'm going to do is just obviously offer this back in, slide it back in, and then yeah, see how it gets on over the next few weeks driving. Okay, that feels much firmer in there actually. Where there was before, you could feel it moving, just kind of slightly moving from side to side, maybe 1/4 millimeter, 1/2 millimeter, something like that. With that in there, feels a whole lot better. So I'm really actually quite confident. So there we go. Hopefully that's been useful. Like I say, there's been a few people that have been asking lately, whether it's through the channel or whether on different forums, people saying about it's been winding them up. I know it's been winding me up as well. So if you've liked it, maybe hit subscribe coming up here now. There's loads more videos on the channel, like I always say. So we've got loads more planned. The more subscribers I get means the more videos I make as well. So please do subscribe. It really encourages me to keep going. But for now, yeah, hopefully it's been useful. Cheers for watching. Thanks very much, and see you on the next one.